What's up guys, welcome back to another Raqmedia tutorial here with Izadeen. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to show desktop icons on Windows 10 or 11 just in a few clicks. Welcome back. If you are running Windows 11 or 10 and want to see your desktop icons, there are a few different ways you can do it in two methods. First, you head on to Start menu. From it, select Settings, and from Settings, let's head on to Personalization. Next, head on to Themes. From Themes, just scroll down to and hit Desktop Icon Settings. This will open a new window, and here are all your desktop icons. You just select the ones you want to. Select them all. But as you can see, we have activated the icons, but none of them appears, and that's fix number 2. Right click on your desktop and select View. From View, just hit Show Desktop Icons. Hit them, and voila, all your icons now are in there. And now you can toggle them on and off as you like. If you want to take them off, you just hit and tick Show Desktop Icons. And with this, we have reached the end. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below, and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com